seen the film, that smile is Arjun Kapoor's own smile, which then I made it Parma smile. That smile suggests shrewd, that smile suggests romance, that smile suggests a psycho, that smile suggests a son who is so in love with his mum, a buddy. So there was so much that I could do with that smile, and that smile was Arjun Kapoor's own smile. Then there was the physicality. I was not looking for a typical male hero. So there was that ruggedness which would be plausible and believable in a small town kind of space. So the two things they coexisted for a long time.
Honestly speaking, basically when I met him, I thought he's a very simple, sorted writer who's directing his second film. We interacted very normally, and I read 3 scenes for him, in the sense I auditioned and he said, okay, there is something. He saw the material and then he said, okay, there is something. We started working. The realization for me was, when I realized that I really want to do this, is see, I've never been to that part of the world. I genuinely confess, even now, I've not lived that life. I don't have a reference. I don't really know. I cannot say out of my own personal experience that this is how it should be. So I came from a very blank perspective. I just knew that these are scenes that I can do justice to if I have the right guidance. And eventually he also realized that I need that guidance in terms of I have the will to do it. I have an understanding that I can immerse myself completely doing it.
When I read the first half and I read the interval, I said, oh my God, there is no way that I can let go of this film. I just had to do it. So at that point I said, workouts and losing weight was the smallest part of it in my head. I knew that I had the energy of Zoya, but I didn't have the aggression. I didn't have the lingo. I didn't have the madness of her. I am a very energetic person, but that's not enough. Because on screen you're saying somebody else's dialogues, you're wearing somebody else's clothes, you're being another person. Just being energetic, though, I was in Dimple Chadda also. It really wasn't very different. But theoretically, because I'm from a small town, I'm born and brought up in Ambala. Theoretically, I used to understand what Habib sir used to say. Chote towns mein aisa hota hai, these are the restrictions, you can't fall in love with anybody and just have a boyfriend and roam around with him. Plus you're from a family which is not going to accept it. So getting into the character also, because he was already confirmed by then playing off him was the challenge. To become the correct couple also, I think, was the challenge.